Today we're here in the Halloween update for Car Crushers 2 and the update 65. And what's this? Car part. Let's go. It's another car part. So there's car parts in Derby maps now. As you can see, I can go put them into this car. I collected another one. Let's see, so 1 out of 2 parts. Okay, what was that piece? Oh, the back part. What was that black piece? Oh, there's parts everywhere on the map. And the thing is, for getting, entering a code, you get the, this thing. Yeah, it's a pretty cool car. And there's like, a Halloween rain down, where it drops like zombies and scarecrows and all that stuff on the map, and you have to kill them to actually finish the task. And so there's different parts all around the map though, which kind of stinks. The final prize, you can see, beat the Giovanni bomb, destroy the bomb zombie, the Reaper, boss Reaper. I already destroyed the giant zombie, the spooky scarecrow, and the classic zombie. I'm missing these 3. And that's the boss Reaper. I wonder what's gonna spawn. He found during the rain event that happens every 20 minutes. Starts appearing in Halloween Invasion on October 3rd. Oh. I'll have to make another video on October 31st trying to defeat this thing. Oh! Dude! Oh. Well. Oh, there's a gate in front of me. Okay, anyways. Yeah, so there's different things. Halloween, you see there's 14 prize. So, yeah, hold on, let me just pull over to the side of the road and video more. So, as you can see, destroy the classic zombie 10 times. The scarecrow 5 times. Destroy the bomb zombie 3 times. The Reaper 2 times. And destroy the giant zombie as many times as you want. And the boss Reaper. These will all give me XP to get more challenges. So as you can see, rewards. The hot rod build, car parts. So location hints after collecting 18 extra locations in the main facility place. Extra location hints appear after collecting 18 total parts. That's halfway through. So let's try working on that. Then we'll probably head to the Derby arenas. It's gonna take me a little while trying to find them. Yeah, but if you put the code 1.5, capital M, capital L, and IKES, so 1.5 million likes, or M likes, you will get this car, okay? So it can be in any server. Not like the last one where it was grass and you had to accept it in a private server. You can do this one in any server. So this is mostly the Halloween event. I'm just gonna try to keep searching for parts. Oh, parts. That's kind of strange seeing it there. Okay. Oh, another part. Tons of parts here. Search the tops of these. Okay. Let me go put them back down. If you leave the game, they'll be automatically placed. Let's see, over here. Okay, add parts. Hold on. Add part. Alright. That's 4 out of 32 parts for that. So let's see, is there any parts? The Crushers. Not that what I can see. Back it up. Oh, none of that in there. How about in here? I don't see any parts. How about up there? No, I don't see any parts up there. Let me just make sure. No. This is the main facility place, so we don't never know where we're looking for. Drill, I don't think they're at the drill either. I think they might be at Uh-oh. It's turning night. Turn that down. Yeah, this is the day and night cycle now. It's gonna make it a little harder to see the parts. The Halloween invasion's gonna start in like 3 minutes. Cars! Oh, that's one of them. Well, that's the basic one. Oh, there's Halloween cars here. Oh, whoa! New rice! The Facility Junction? What's this? Never seen this. Oh, what? Is this the starting place? Oh, no! I've never been to this place before. This is nice. There's a new races, that's what I heard. Let's see. Oh, car park? Is it a car park? Yes, it is. Alright, come on. Add part, that's 6 of them. 6 out of 32 parts. And if we want to find other occasional hints, it's going to be 6 out of 18. Whoa! Surprising. Didn't see that car coming. Oh. Where's the rain down? Is there any car cars? I don't see any up there. Tank. Oh, no. Back it up. So it seems there's gonna be a Halloween invasion in 50 seconds. We gotta find some parts before it starts. Stunt Park is a really big place to find parts through. Stunt race, says it right here. Is there any parts? Any parts? Okay. Any parts? Let's try checking. There's another car down here. Any in here? No, it doesn't seem like it. If only these cars have lights. Like working lights! Car parts! I'll try to back this up. Got it! Oh no, it's gonna start raining down. Music though. There's one. Another one. And a car part, I think. Oh, it's the bomb zombie! Oh no, I did not see that coming. Oh, I didn't see he had a bomb. Jeez! Scared me right there. Oh, there's one zombie over here. Is this a bomb guy? Nope. He's dead. Gotta be careful with those bomb zombies, though. Jeez, that scared me. The car part over here. A lot of zombies. Okay, come on. Here's the top. Oh, Scarecrow. Car part looks like the engine. Pick it up. Ooh, there's some zombies in the Stunt Park. I see them. I think that might be another car part. Yep, it is. A ton of zombies. Oh no! Another one. Oh! What is this? Is that the Reaper? Oh no! This thing's tough. Oh! Oh, I hit him. Oh, come on, run him over. No, I missed. Oh, you idiot. Ugh. No. Duh. Okay. He's down. He's down. No. Don't let him stand. Okay. No, you jumped. I killed him. Let's go. Oh, goodness. Car part. There might be a car part up here. Oh, that's not a car part. So many car parts. Ow. Oh, ow. I think I have every single zombie and those things killed. All I'm missing is the boss. That only spawns on October 31st. Okay, they're gone. Oh, it's still nice. I'm gonna use a name, whatever it is. Okay. We're missing 8 car parts and we'll be able to find the extra finding things. Ooh, car part. I don't know what that's for. Is a hot. Might be the smoke pipes inside. Anything else? No. Alright, let's just launch my car off the cliff. Oh! Oh, ouch. Okay. Didn't mean to. You were in my way. I didn't mean to. You were in my way. Sorry. Please. For any unordinary things sticking out on the side of the bridge. Oh! Car part in the middle of the road, That was something. Oh, I did not see that coming. Where'd it go? Right here. Right there. That's a car part. It's gonna be a lot. 3, 2, 1, jump! Oh! Okay, that's That's something happening here. Oh, jeez. I don't know what's happening, but I don't want to be part of it. Maybe. No, it's not a car part. I don't think so. Maybe up here. Hold on. Car part? No car. Ah! Jeez, they're exploding. Let's back it up. So sorry. Oh! Gee, might be upstairs too. That's the big issue. Okay, so they're upstairs too. Oh dear. Okay, so I think we searched everything downstairs. I don't think we searched the rest of it yet. I think that's like cool. Let's see. Might as well hide them at row 4. Let's go, another one. Alright. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, wait, what? Oh, I think it would be over here. Okay. Let's see, how many car parts is this gonna count up? 13, 14, 15? No! 3 more car parts. 3 more car parts. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you all in the next one. Ow.